Okay, students. So today we will learn about operations on set. Okay. So there are several types of operations like union of two sets, interaction of two sets, etc. etc. Like disjoint set, overlapping set, difference of two sets. Okay. Complement of a set, etc. etc. The symbols of the set operations I was discussed on the previous video. So let me start on union of two sets. Okay. So union of two sets, that is denied by or that is written by this u. Okay, u, that this u means the union of two sets. Like for two sets a and b, for two sets a and b, the union of a and b can be written like this, that a union of b. Okay, by this way we can write the set operation of union of two sets. Okay, the union of two sets a and b means that set a, let me get an example, that set a and set b are the two sets. Okay, so the union of the two sets A and B means that the all elements that belongs on A neither B. Okay, that means A union of B means that if that is a set of X, that is X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Okay. Now let me write that let me write that let me take a example of A. Okay, let me take a set equal to A equal to 2, 4, 6. Okay, and B equal to 4, 6, 10. Okay, for this two set A equal to 2, 4, 6. Here the set element of A are 2, 4, 6, and for set B the set elements are 4, 6 and 10. Now what will be the union of these two sets A and B? For this, A union of B means 4, 6 and let all components like 2 and 10 also. That means these elements are either belongs in A or B. Okay, A union of B means the elements, these elements are belongs to either A neither B. Okay, so this may be a great example or a good example of union. Okay, and if we draw the Venn diagram, I will come to that on after this. There we can get the example of various type of this union, subtraction, etc. etc. Okay, that will be the Venn diagram. Now we are learning about the union only. Okay, the set operation only. We will learn about the Venn diagram on later some time. Okay. Okay. Let me take another example of union of two sets for you. That what I say, that the set A if two sets are A and B, then for A there must be some elements they are present like X, Y, Z. That may be the elements of set A, and for set B there must be some elements. Let's say that are M, N, P, etc., etc. Now, what will be the union of these two sets? The union of these two sets may be written by A union of B, that is X, Y, Z, M, N, P. What this mean? This means that these elements may be present in A or may be present in B. That means these elements may be present in A or may be present in B. That means this is the union of two sets. Okay, union of two sets means all the elements are either present in A, neither present in B. Okay, either present in one or neither present in the another one. Okay, that's it. The union of two sets. What is the union of two sets? If I give you that, let's do it on your paper. That if a set is C equal to 5, 9, 10 and set D equal to 2, 3, 6. Okay. Now, what will be the union of these two sets? C union of D. Okay. C union of D. That is, what will be that? Please try to solve it on your paper. If you have solved, then the C union of D means 2, 3, 6, 5, 9, 10. What does this mean? What does this mean? That this means that the elements, these are the elements. So these elements may be present in C, neither may be present in D. That's it. That's the union of two sets. Okay. Now let me enter to the next set operation, that intersection of two sets. Okay. Let's learn about the Venn diagram too for this. Okay. Venn diagram for union of two sets, like for set A union of B, the Venn diagram must be written, draw like this, that what we say, that this is the set of A and this is the set of B. If in a paper this is the set of A and this is the set of B, now what will be the union of these two sets? What will be the union of these two sets? That must be written by something like this, that on a paper. You may also draw it, that here this is, okay, A union of B. What does this mean? This means all of the components of these sets may be present in A, neither present in B. Okay. If let me get an example of this on your paper, that if here there are some vowels like A, B, sorry, A, B, B not B, B is not a vowel. Yes, A E I O U. And let's take some words here also, that O O P Q R T. Okay. Now, what will be the union of this? That must be like this, that A E I O U T P R Q, this. So how can you tell that where is the component O, where is the component P? You can't say separately that where is the components. You have to say that either the component is in A, either the component is B. Okay. I can give you an example that please look at the picture, that there are two bottles there and here it's a paper cork, okay, that separates the two liquids. Okay, here it's milk and here on this side this is water. Okay, now if we remove the cork, or if we remove the separating media, okay, then milk and water must be mixed well with each other. Now can you differentiate this on this? The water will become through the bottle on this side, and milk will come to the this side by the bottle. Now milk and water can be mixed with each other, and you can't different these. If you can't differ this, then how can you tell that where is the milk and where is the water? If you remove the cork like this, then there are no separating media. Then milk will come through there, milk will go there like this, and water will come here. Now water and milk is mixed well. Both of the side looks like white. Now can you refer that where is the milk and where is the water? You have to say that it's either milk, neither water. That is the union of two sets. Okay, you have to just mix it well and say where is that? You can't find. Okay. I'm giving another example, that I am taking the set of some numbers on a triangle, 5, 1, 2, 4. Okay, and on another triangle I am taking 6, 7, 9, 3. Okay, now I am mixing these on a big triangle like this, that I am mixing these. Okay, then here will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 6, 9, 7. Now if you don't know the shape of these numbers, okay, then it's mixed well. Okay, A and B mixed well. There was a triangle and there was triangle, and I am taking the triangles out. Now I have mixed the numbers here. Okay, now if you have no memorized that, I haven't tell that what is the number. from where the number are taken from. Okay. Now answer me. From where the number are taken from? You have seen the previous triangle, so you can say. But if you can't see, if you haven't seen the previous triangle, then how can you tell the from where the numbers were taken from? Okay, let me solve your problem. That I am taking some numbers from here, from here. Okay, from here some numbers are there. There also may be some numbers. You don't know where are the numbers. Okay. Now I have mixed them both here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 5, 6, 7. I mixed them on this big triangle. Okay. You don't know where is the number. You don't know where is the numbers. Okay. You don't know anything. Okay. From where the numbers are taken from? Here or here? It may be here. There are no elements. Okay. Here all elements may be present. Okay. You don't know from where the numbers are taken from. Okay. Now, how can you say that from where the numbers are taken from? You have to say that the numbers are taken from either this, neither this. If someone tells that from where the number 5 was taken from, if you have to say that from either the number 5 was taken from this triangle, neither number 5 is taken from this triangle. Yes or no? Yes. So this is the union. Okay. Here, if you want mixed well, so this is the union of both sets. This big triangle is the union of these both sets. Okay. Have you got it? I think yes. Now we will learn about intersection of two sets. Okay. Let me draw the Venn diagram first. After that, I will give you some examples. Okay. If there are set A and set B, this is set A and this is set B. Okay. So, what will be the intersection of this set? Intersection is written by the symbol of intersection is this. Okay. Mirror of U. Okay. Now, what will be the Venn diagram of intersection of these two sets? These two sets will be drawn like this. That this area is the intersection area. Okay. On this area, the two sets are intersection with each other. That means this is the common area of both sets. Okay. This is the common area of both sets. So this is the intersection area of the sets. Okay. Now let's take an example. That just imagine that A equal to 2, 3, 4, 9. B equal to 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay. Now, what will be the intersection of these two sets? The intersection of these two sets, A can be, maybe this cap, okay. This will be the common. Here 3 and 4 are the common elements of both sets. So from these sets, the common is 3 and 4. So the intersection of these two sets will be 3 and 4. Did you get it? Intersection means the common area of two sets. Okay. The common area of some sets. This may be the intersection of 2, here this is for 2, but this may be 3. Then if you will get 3 sets, okay, if someone give you 3 sets, here this is 3 set, okay, and there it's given that 4, 5, 9, 10, okay. What will be the intersection of these sets? A cap B cap C. That will be the common 4, 4, 4. So the set will be 4 only. If no elements are common in 2 sets, okay, 2 sets or more sets, more number of sets, then 2, okay. If no numbers are common in 2 sets, okay, between any sets, and if no numbers are common, then the intersection of that 2 sets may must be not 0, right? If, let me give example, A equal to 4, 9, 10, and B equal to 3, 2, 5. So what will be the intersection of these 2 sets? There will be no intersection area. So the intersection of these 2 sets will be 0. 0 may be not written. So this is 5. 5 is the null set, or empty set, okay. So if there are no elements are common between sets, that may be 1 or 2, not be 1, that may be 2, 3 or more, then that set will be called null set, okay. The intersection of that 2 sets may be a null set, okay. That set may be called disjoint set also. What is that? Disjoint set. Sorry. Okay, disjoint set. Where there are no common sets, common elements between 2 sets, okay. Where there are, if there are no common element between 2 sets, then that is called disjoint set, okay. I have given the example before, so let me overlapping set. Now overlapping set, okay. From the Venn diagram, I have shown you that on the intersection of between 2 sets, there are A and B, and this is the intersection area of 2 sets. Now here 2 sets are overlapping between each other, right? Here 2 sets are overlapping between each other. So this type of set called overlapping set, and that is written by A cap B. If A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what will be the overlapping set of these 2 sets? That will be A intersection of B, like that is 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. This is the intersection of these 2 sets, and then this is called the overlapping set, okay. Now difference of 2 sets, okay. Now we will learn how to difference between 2 sets. Let's wait for a moment. Please wait for a moment. Sorry for that. Um, Difference of two sets. Okay. Let me give an example that will be helpful to you. That A equal to let me take 2, 3, 5, 7. B equal to what will may take 2, 4, 6. Okay. Now difference between two sets, that is A minus B. What will be that? That will be here. These are common. So the set will be these. Okay. 3, 5, 7. Okay. So from this set we can learn that from this example we can learn that here from A we are subtracting B. From A we are differentiating the B. Okay. So here this is on the top and this is from the below. So from this the set that are not present in B, that will be subtract from the this. Okay. From these that the number of sets, the number of elements which are not present in B, that will be the difference between these two sets. Okay. Now if we take B minus A, here we can get this 2 is present common in both of these, but B is on the top now, so this only will be the set 4.6. Okay. By this we can differ between the sets. Okay. Okay. Now complement of set. Okay. What is complement of set? Here, if there are a big set, given big number of elements of a set present in the front, and you are subtracting that from a lower one, then this is also a type of different set. Okay. There is nothing more than that. Let us take an example that equal U is a set of X, that is X belongs to N, and X is less than or equal to 10. Okay. Okay, that is, and A is a set of Y, that's Y. Okay. Y, that is Y belongs to W, and W means, what is the meaning of W? W means the set of whole numbers. Okay, belongs to W, and what? And for X is greater than or equal to 4 but less than or equal to, let take 6. Okay. So what is the set of U? This is in set builder form, yes or no? The sets are in set builder form. We have to convert that into roster form or tabular method form. Okay. Now if we convert that to the tabular form, there will be U equal to set of X where X belongs to N. N means the natural numbers, and X is less than or equal to 10. That means the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and less than equal to 10, that means 10. Okay, and set of a equal to y, that y is a whole number and sorry, this is y. So 4, y is greater than equal to 4. Okay, greater than equal to 4, that means 4, 5, and less than equal to 6, that is 6. Okay, now what will be there? The complement of these sets. The complement of these sets will be, let me remove this. Okay, you can understand. Now the complement of this set, that is written by a dash. Okay, that is u minus a. Okay, u minus a. Now 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, these are the common. So u minus a will be 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. This will be the complement of the set. Okay, so I think you will understand the set operation for your class. So please try the example or exercise book from your copy or from your book at home, and if you have any problem, then please comment me or tell me. Okay, and if this video is helpful to you, then please subscribe. Okay, please do subscribe and share between them who needs the video. Okay, that will be help me and help you too. How do you help me? The subscribe is more important for me, and how this help you? Your subscription, your like will encourage me to make more video for you, and that will be the benefit for you too. Okay, so please subscribe and like. I hope the video was helpful to you. If yes, then please subscribe my channel and share between those who needs the video, and please like the video once if you have any benefits from the video, and that's it. Okay.